2004 Pontiac Grand Am GT with a 3400 series engine in it with an automatic transmission. It's the Ram Air V6. Original chrome wheels and with the moon roof. So, story is I put my Honda CBR 600 F3 up for sale on the Craigslist. Probably within an hour, a fellow called me up and says, "Hey, I got a car for trade. Would you be interested?" And I said, "Sure, why not?" Next day in the morning, he brings this car up, pretty much make a trade. That's pretty much the bare bones about it. So, I'm gonna detail this car, wash it up really good, get the car running really good, and I may do a video tour on it just to show what I do. But anyway, that's why. But I just want to let you know, that's why you don't see the Honda CBR 600 F3 anymore. I traded it for this. Other than that, I'll just walk you through here a little bit, show you the interior. This is the interior. It's pretty dirty. I've been carpeting, shampooing the seats. This is after I've completed one job on it with the carpet shampooer, which is this Hoover steam vac carpet shampooer. Had it for about probably 10 years. Anyway, so the car has everything original on it. It's just dirty. But yeah. Anyway, this is the inside. Best I can show you. Everything looks pretty good. This is the before, you can say, of how everything looked before I go ahead and shampoo the heck out of this thing. Yeah, a little bit of clear. The clear coats come off a little bit. See, I'll go ahead and pop the hood for you. Hope you're not getting too dizzy watching this. I am. Ah, man. Whoops. Focus on this here. So do this one-handed. This is the engine. Pretty clean engine. Well, like I said, it's a 15-year-old car. Hopefully, hopefully, when I do decide to sell this car, somebody will get a lot of good years out of this. So, other than that, y'all have a good day. Be safe. And just do what you do.